In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find tasks, projects, and people in Asana using Search on desktop. Whether you're tracking down a specific task, checking a project's status, or pulling up a teammate, Asana's built-in search makes it quick and precise. Start by logging in to your Asana account on your desktop or laptop so you're in the main workspace. At the top of the screen, click the search bar to activate it. Type a keyword related to what you're looking for. This could be a task name, a phrase from a description, a project title, or a person's name. As you type, Asana shows instant results, neatly grouped by tasks, projects, and people. Review those groups to zero in on the right type of result. If you don't see what you need, keep the keywords short and specific, and try exact phrases and quotes for tighter matches. Below the search bar, click Filters. Choose what you want to include, such as tasks, projects, people, portfolios, or goals. This is helpful when your keyword is broad and you only want one category. If you need to refine further, click More to filter by messages, tags, or templates. These are useful when you remember a tag or know the information lives in a message thread or a reusable template. For deeper control, open Show Advanced Search by selecting the three horizontal lines on the right side of the search bar. This expands filters like assignee, due date, project, or status. Use these to narrow results to exactly what you need, such as tasks owned by a specific person, due this week within a particular project, or only incomplete items. If results feel too narrow, remove one filter at a time to broaden the view. As you scroll, look to the bottom of the search panel for saved searches. You'll see presets like tasks I've created, tasks I've assigned to others, and recently completed tasks. These shortcuts instantly apply common filters without extra setup and are great for quick reviews and handoffs. When you see the result you want, click it to open it directly. From there, you can review details or continue searching until you find exactly what you need. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.